Thula Mandleni, mfana kagama lo. Welcome to More Zion Music, a platform where we react to Zion music. Ukuthula, ukwaba. We break down anomalies to try and get the message behind. We encourage, we give positive feedback. Basically, chingeti non-toxic Zion music. What's up, bro? Hey, Tamban, right? Hey, my bad, guys. Yesterday I had a busy day, so I couldn't really upload a video. You're leaving on time. So missing shower is parties and all of that, and I only managed to upload it around to 12, like midnight. But I mean, I'm just glad the video is out. Okuningi nje, engilongigibela, but I'm just glad that the video is out. And thank you guys to everyone who've subscribed to this YouTube channel. We are currently 4 subscribers away from 200. Let's get to 200. The aim is to get to 1,000, but we have to break it down. We can't say, hey, nah. We are 4 subscribers. Sorry, we are 4 subscribers away from 200. Forgive me, my voice is almost gone. So namhlanje directed to Ukanya kwamakrestu. Yebo uyakuthanda uJesu. Yes. So before we get to a lot of things, make sure to hit that like button. Subscribe to this YouTube channel if you haven't subscribed to this YouTube channel. And please, don't forget to give me recommendation where there are women again, my voice bad, raspy. I mean, look, it was late. So without wasting you guys' time, let's just dive right into it. Oh no, I read it wrong. It's Yebo Nyakuthanda just. Sorry, guys. Sorry. When you first part mfana lesisi uyayigibela la wave uvela wayigqabekela phezulu wathi bukani lana man ngizathu ukuthi this is insane. This is insane. I'm sure they shot this Sunday morning because women they go out and then just and then the man probably went there to be like, hey, phela manje, so I think they shot this. It looks like the Sunday morning of Ukut, but no, honestly speaking, this is amazing. This is crazy. This is amazing. I mean, like, nabantu bangaphandle mfethu. Ibhesi yazwakala. Inyawo liyatsho inyawo liyatsho. Usho uvuka ekuseni la last week wathi mara bengenzani. Inyawo liyatsho. Sifutho is on point, i-alto is on point, ibhesi. I'm mostly impressed ngebhesi la right now. Because hey dog, let me tell you something. Ukugwaba and singing takes a lot. It takes a lot because number one, you have to go get the miss foot, and then on top of that, don't forget to sing. It's actually more harder to sing Ukugwaba. It's actually more harder. It's actually more harder ukugwaba than it is mawufutha. Because remember, with Mofuta, it's an easy job because ufuta on the foot. Now Mokula, it's a different ball game. In most cases they'll tell you. That's why in most cases people abomchita bashaya itena ne alto, itena ne alto, itena ne bass. In most cases they'll be there. It's not a rare thing to do, but it's not a thing they would like to do because hey, there's a lot. Hey, aspan, cheap. You know that it is those comments that guys be saying. Chita be saying what's going. See phela space was. Baba phela lahlela inyawo lapho. Hi phela mholi. Sakwaba. See hlaba. You know, it's those things. Mommy, why you like? Hey man, that's causes it's something else, man. It's a lot of work. See, but get up. Was. Hi man, I'm back. No one is saying anything to anyone, but it's just those extra things that But now on the reels though, these people are doing a great job. Like I am Kambela Mang Shasha. This is fantastic. It's the leader for me. The leader is there. This guy is present. He's alive. I mean, that's what you want. I mean, the last thing you need is to have a leader who just sound dead. Like, bruv. KwaMaKrestu has never disappointed me. No. I remember the first time reacting to these people. I was like, what? I was like, what? Like, what? Like, guys, like, how do you guys do it? Like, yes, explain. I think every church should have a book. Basho ukuthi bona how they do it. Because, I mean, dog, if people can sound this good, bangaphandle, you can only imagine ukuthi eholweni banjani. And then laba baseholweni, I can only imagine ukuthi bangaphandle banjani. Like, you understand? And then not only that, do you focus on how they could sound in or outdoors. The way they sound, even that alone plays a role. The way they play with the song, the way they orchestrate the song, the way the way they present themselves. You understand? You look at other key things. You look at the enjoyment of everything, the chemistry they have. Yeah, so many details that you look at, and then you sit down and then you go like, how do you guys do it? And so you sit down and then you say, how do you guys do it? Like, how do you guys do it? You know, I sit here and I react to you guys. I get shocked and I go like, and click, kanjani? Housed, housed do you do? Ay, babayekela, amaKrestu akaka bayakhanya. Ivale. Yikho bangaphandle. And then like the lady always inspired man. Her consistency is just crazy. It's just there. Like it's just there. And ngisasho namanje ukuthi mawuphakathi esontweni you wonder ukuthi okay labantu abangekho ebuilding and how would they sound like, right? And then when they're outside you're like I wonder how they'd sound like inside. Basically as I think the best way to say ukuthi I don't think siyaneliseka singabantu because ngihlezi la and I'm contemplating and I'm like but what more do I want? I can't sit here and say how will they sound like and then akuneliseki because you why? Because they're that damn good. They are so good. They are so good to a point where you ask yourself, okay, if you guys sound so wonderful, ngaphandle, man phakathi ngenza, okay, asikhohle masiphakathi, man isendaweni ni, okay, asuse leyo ndawo le, asibekeni oh, okay, asikhuphuleni the way they are so phenomenal, you would want to hear them or experience them in different ways, knowing damn well you're going to get the same results but better. Khanya kwaMaKrestu. Khanyani, shine. Yini ukushine ngesiZulu? Ukucwebezela. Yo. But you get it. Okay na matol. Okay na bese sotali play. angikwazi nokulilizela kubuhlungu la kubuhlungu throat. Yeah, 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 yeah. Oh, hayi kusasekhona. Hey, it's so. I am so sorry. To my Indian viewers, the song says, "Yes, I love you, Jesus." That's it. Nothing more than that. The ingoma is straightforward. The song is just straightforward. I am so guys. I do forget to have an Indian audience. Like legit, I do. I forget to say to break down everything and say like that. The thing is, in most cases, I don't necessarily have to speak English because they just tune in for the singing. They just love the singing. They don't know the words, but they just enjoy it. But also, I just break down the words so that they know or understand what the song is about. That was hey, oh. Anyway, that was amazing. That was amazing. And shout out to Umjita Opostile la. The name of the channel if you would like to go. Because I think in most cases when I react to the other pages, the names ziyavela lapha. So I don't necessarily have to like break my brain ukuthi hey man. So umuntu oposte this we posted a week ago. Ipage Olisi Mhlabati. That's the name of the YouTube channel, Olisi Mhlabati. Go show love to the brother and go subscribe to his YouTube channel as well. I think abantu bakhonza bonke. So yo, if you do like the content on this YouTube channel, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to this YouTube channel, and please guys don't forget to give me recommendations. I mean, come on. And also man, share to other platforms as well. Share to other people as well. Whether you have Facebook, you have Twitter, you have WhatsApp, share it to other people so that other people can get exposed to this YouTube channel. Remember, the aim is to grow this YouTube channel and make it broader. You know, I don't want to do a lot of things, but I just want it to be a channel where people can also come here and find music and other churches as well. People can also come here and give me recommendation, and also as time goes by, I will have guests here, people who join, and we just divert and we dissect the songs. So yo, in the favorite way of the Jupiter, adios.